Never give up. Never in your life give up. Keep driving through the goddamn pain. Muscle through the pain. Muscle through the goddamn pain. He's dead. That hurts. Let him run tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
You won. You fucking won. I would rather die than be that loser guy.
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. You want something, go get it. Period.